Exploring Letter-Sound Correspondence from the Axelson Academy. Reading Foundational Skills 3D. Distinguish between similarly spelled words by identifying the sounds of the letters that differ. Phonemic awareness activities will have students auditorily identify which sounds in two similarly spelled words differ. Here we have a picture of a pig and a wig. Students have been able to isolate the phoneme that changes between those two words. When pig becomes wig, the initial phoneme changes from p to w. Now we shift from identifying just the phoneme, the sound, to also identifying the letter that changes. We move to the letter-sound correspondence by bringing in pairs of words. Here we have cow and wow. We want students to first identify the phoneme that changes. The k becomes w. Then to identify the letters that correspond to those sounds. K, c changes to w, w. Bin becomes tin. B becomes t. Dig becomes fig. D becomes f. Take advantage of opportunities that arise to introduce new vocabulary with students. I would maintain the focus on the skill being taught, but ensure that students know the meaning of fig. Rat becomes rag. T becomes g. Log becomes leg. In this example, we are moving our focus to the middle vowel sounds. Students may need extra work at this level. Then bring back your work to connected text. Many times this encompasses students writing down a short sentence, 2 or 3 words in length, or they might read a short sentence. You can also post rhymes like this in front of the class, which you can read together, pointing to each word, working on that one-to-one correspondence of words. You would be pointing to Jack and Jill went up a hill. You might have students identify specific sight words you've worked on, such as a, to, and. In this particular case, you want to draw students' attention to the 2 similar words that differ by one phoneme. I would identify Jill and hill and have students distinguish how these words are different. The j becomes h. The same could be done with down and crown. The d becomes cr. The cr blend. You can go through many rhymes in this manner. This skill coincides nicely with any work you are doing with poetic rhyme or onset and rhyme. This has been Exploring Letter-Sound Correspondence from the Axelson Academy.